If your car won't start, even though the battery is in good condition, there are several other potential culprits. Issues with the starter motor, ignition switch, or fuel system are common causes. Sometimes, electrical faults like blown fuses, sensor malfunctions, or problems with the anti-theft system can also prevent the engine from turning over. Understanding these possibilities is essential for narrowing down the source of the trouble. To get a clearer picture, consider how each of these parts works together. A faulty starter motor might produce a clicking noise or no sound at all when you turn the key. If the ignition switch is failing, it can disrupt the flow of electricity needed for the starter or fuel pump. The fuel system also plays a vital role. Blockages, pump failures, or simply running out of fuel can stop the engine from receiving what it needs. Checking for electrical power, listening for the fuel pump, and verifying fuel delivery are all important steps in diagnosing the issue. There are also less obvious factors that can keep a car from starting. Malfunctioning sensors, such as those for the crankshaft or camshaft, may send incorrect signals to the car's computer, disrupting ignition. Security system glitches, like immobilizer or key fob issues, can prevent the vehicle from recognizing a legitimate start attempt. Additionally, wiring problems, such as corroded connections or loose grounds, can interfere with the starting process, often requiring more advanced diagnostic tools to identify. To troubleshoot a car that won't start with a healthy battery, start by ensuring the battery terminals are clean and tightly connected. Listen for any unusual sounds when turning the key, as these can indicate starter or solenoid problems. Check the relevant fuses and relays for the ignition and fuel systems, and make sure there's fuel in the tank and that the fuel pump is operating. If these basic checks don't solve the problem, it may be necessary to have a professional examine the ignition switch and engine sensors to uncover the root cause.